Hi class, let me go over all the files that you're going to need for this lab. So I already inputted here the main lab with instructions. So make sure you open these files and save them somewhere in your computer. This one is going to have all the instructions along with the videos. And then on the actual lab, I also have a Excel file for you to record your data. So download that and save it in your computer. You're also going to need to open the applet simulator. Make sure it opens. We're going to be modifying these values. And then the last portion, you're going to need to have access to StatCrunch. So open up StatCrunch. And this is what I need you to do. So open up the data set. You can open any of the data sets. I'm just going to open the first one and clear it. Now, as you clear it, make sure that you delete a portion of it, but also make sure you delete everything from the cell. So click on the top and delete, click on the top and delete. You only need to delete one column, so make sure that there's nothing in there since you're going to be copying your results into any of the labs, and then you're just going to be copying these here and running a couple of graphs. So make sure that you only really need a column to be empty. To clear it, you basically click there and then hit the delete button, and that's going to ensure that it clears anything at the bottom. You don't have any values below that. So for the moment, any of the data sets will work. I just opened the first one. So make sure that you do hit on this tab here. Let me delete this one. Hit here and then delete. And what this is going to do is empty the entire column, since it may be extremely large and it may have values in the thousands or 10,000s. So that's all the actual files that you're going to need for this lab. You may go to the next portion of it.